What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So this is Pixel 7a, and I want to share with you guys 3 reasons why you should consider picking up this device. So without further delay, let's dive right in. I'm going to start off with number 1, and that's going to be the camera. So up until the Pixel 7a, we've been using, or Google has been using, their 12 megapixel tried and true Sony IMX sensor, I forgot the number, on their A series devices and multiple of their flagship devices until the Pixel 6 series. And it was a really reliable sensor, but it started to show its age, and Google can only do so much with computational photography. So with 7a, they decided to put in an all new sensor. This is like all new. It's not a sensor that they brought over from the Pixel 7. This is a 64 megapixel sensor, and its pixel bin down to 16. So just do keep that in mind when you're taking photos on the 7a, but it brings in more light. It's a larger camera sensor and it brings in more light. So you're going to be getting some pretty good photos. And it's a Pixel device. It's a Pixel camera. I can rely on this. Like, I can put this in my pocket and know that, like, if I'm going to use my phone to take photos, I have the 7a. I feel really comfortable knowing that. Performs really well, takes great photos. I think when picking up any Pixel device, camera is one to consider as a reason to pick up a Pixel device, in this case Pixel 7a. It's going to bring me to reason number 2 is going to be software. Software on Pixel devices, again, I think it's a reason that one should consider picking up any Pixel device, and 7a is no different. You're getting clean, minimal material You're getting software updates 3 years up to software updates, so Android 14, 15, and 16 on Pixel 7a. But the thing catches here, it's a Pixel device, which means you're going to be getting like day one when Google releases it to the public. Whereas if you pick up an OEM like Samsung or OnePlus, for example, you're going to be waiting a little bit longer. And especially if you pick up a device from a carrier, have fun waiting. You're going to get it day 1, if not day 2, on the Pixel series devices. It's no different with Pixel 7a. It's fluid, it has no lag. Tensor G2 really does help with the optimization of this, and having a really nice, it's not small display, but it's not large. I think it's a perfect size display at 6.1. The experience here is just absolutely great. You're getting an in-display fingerprint sensor, which I feel is definitely more reliable than Pixel 6a, but you're also getting face unlock. So it's unlocked right now, just read my face. It carries on from the 7 and 7 Pro. I like that. I like that it's carrying features from the 7 and 7 Pro, its older brothers, into the A series device. Software is definitely a reason to pick this device up. I'm going to end things off with the extra features on the Pixel 7a. So if you guys remember Pixel 6a, and I'll just bring it right here real quickly, there were some things missing. Didn't have a 90 Hz refresh rate. It didn't have wireless charging. It wasn't the most highest end spec device when compared to its older brothers. But we're getting some changes here with 7a, and I like it. I like it. 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage, as opposed to 6 gigs of RAM on its predecessor. Yes, you're getting the same display size, but you're getting a 90 Hz refresh rate, a higher refresh rate, which is a first for an A series device. You're getting wireless charging on this, which is a first, again, for an A series device. Tensor G2, which is the flagship chipset from Google that is found in the 7 Pro, as well as the Google Pixel Fold, and I believe the Google Pixel tablet as well. You're getting a 4,385 milliamp hour battery equipped with that wireless charging. It's getting you pretty good battery life. Not the greatest out there, but it's getting you pretty good battery life, and more than likely you're not a heavy user like me, so this is going to be a reliable phone for battery. Getting that new 64 megapixel rear camera. You're getting 3 colors plus an extra exclusive, so a total of 4 new colors with Pixel 7a. I have the C right here, the C color. It's great. I love this color. And the total package is $499. It's pretty good. Now, you may be thinking, well, we're getting into Pixel 7 territory. I understand, but I still would recommend picking up this device. Like, it's got some really good additions that a lot of people were asking for in the A series lineup, and we finally got it with Pixel 7a. And it's available. If you want to pick it up, I'll be leaving links in the description down below. Anyway, that's been it from me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.